बहुत प्यारा सा एक ग्राउंड है, यहाँ पे सब लोग खेलते हैं। दिस इज़ द रोड। उस साइड पे काफ़ी हॉस्टल हैं, तो अभी तक तो मैंने हॉस्टल 8 तक सुना है, बट आई डोंट नो टोटल कितना है। दिस पर्टिकुलर वन इज़ हॉस्टल नंबर 3। ये है एंट्रेंस, और यहाँ पे एक वेंडिंग मशीन भी रखा हुआ है। दिस वे वी एंटर्ड फ्रॉम दिस लाइक अ स्मॉल एरिया एंड विल गेट ऑन द लेफ्ट। Although it's just one floor, but we have luggage, so. Ours, let's have the first look. Bro, I need a look. Hi guys, before I start the room tour, there's a slight disclaimer. So we are not students here. We are students of IISER Kolkata, but we came here for a workshop and these are the rooms that were given to us. So I'm not sure if every hostel looks like this, but you'll sort of get an idea of what a hostel in IISER Bhopal looks like. So this is the corridor, a lot of sunlight, lighting areas. People are drying their clothes directly in the sunlight, which is a good thing. And so let's start the room tour. So as we enter, you can see 2 beds, and the way they've been oriented is really nice because it leaves a lot of space in the middle. This is the window and it's huge, so there's a lot of sunlight because I haven't turned on any light, okay, but it's still really bright. These are the beds, and you have like a bedside lamp too. So I think that was supposed to be for the table, but they changed the orientation somehow. So I really like these foldable tables. If you want, you can just put them back and then it goes on the wall. And then you have these storage spaces for each person, so this side and this side, and similar foldable table. And you have 2 almiras, but they're, you know, very sleek, so they don't consume a lot of space. So if you think about it, the room isn't that big, but it still looks spacious and it's very breathable because of the way things have been designed. So this is the almirah. Pretty spacious because see, it has a lot of length, but it's like small this way, so like you still have a lot of space. And I'm pretty sure it's the same here. So yeah, a little dusty this one, but cool. So this is it. I don't think I've missed anything. So yeah, that's it with the IISER Bhopal room tour. I'll also be making a full campus tour vlog, so make sure you watch that video. Okay, bye.